Today we are going to discuss something different from the normal tutorial we do on this channel. We are going to talk on the title Microsoft Give Up Already? There are some recent updates from Microsoft and some statistical analysis comparison between Windows 10 and Windows 11 operating system. Recent report has it that Windows 10 has market share of 70.1% compared to Windows 11. Is Microsoft giving up on Windows 11? Let's look at how it is being published in some websites. Okay, from Extreme Tech website, let's see what they have to say on the title Windows 10 climbs to 70% market share despite being 9 years older. It states people are switching from Windows 11 to Windows 10 somehow. Why? Okay, let's read that. It says Windows 11 has been in a head to head battle with Windows 10 since it launched in late 2021. I think it was launched on November or December. Microsoft hoped the newcomer OS would displace the raged veteran by offering new features, a more modern interface, and quality of life improvements. However, not everyone is on board with the upgrade. So, despite the fact that Windows 10 has been an old operating system, we can see that it is gaining more market value than Windows 11. People are switching. And now let's look at the reason why are people switching from Windows 11 to Windows 10 despite the AI feature and some other integrations in the operating system. The number one reason why this is happening is because some old users of Windows 10 are selling out their PCs at cheaper rates. So some families and individuals prefer to buy that at cheaper rate to save some money since they are all computers and they can solve the same problem. So that is the reason number one. The reason number two why this may be happening because of the perception that Windows 11 is slower than Windows 10. But this was in the past as Microsoft have fixed this over the time. But some people that have not updated their own OS are still saying that they are still experiencing slow and sluggish activity speed on their Windows 11. Do you prefer Windows 10 or Windows 11? I have four PCs, two run Windows 11 and two run Windows 10. And I'm okay with both of them. Okay, but I use those that have Windows 11 operating system, the more on my own. All right, so let me know what you think. Is Microsoft giving up already? Do they want to end Windows 11 and bring in a new OS because of this? We will look out. Let's see how this unfolds with time. Is Windows 11 going to be going down the more and Windows 10 getting more in future in terms of market value? So we keep you updated as time goes on. Let's get to news number two in the world of Windows operating system, which is majorly Windows 10 and Windows 11. The second update on the world of Windows 10 and Windows 11 is that the newly updated versions of Windows 10 and Windows 11 have broken VPN. So let's get and see how it is published in some websites. Okay, from Ars Technica, it states April updates for Windows 10 and 11 break some VPN software. Microsoft says VPN connection broke affects all supported versions of Windows 10, Windows 11, and Server. So if maybe you are trying to use VPN on your PC and you are finding it difficulty, you find out that it's not working, that the virtual private network is not working, that it exposes your main IP, then know that this may be the cause, this update from Microsoft. So let's read down. It says Microsoft is currently investigating a bug in its most recent batch of Windows 10 and Windows 11 updates that is preventing some VPN software from working perfectly. The company updated its list of unknown Windows issues to say that it has created the issue on its end and that is currently working on a fix. As I'm speaking to you currently, today is 4th of May 2024. Microsoft has not fixed this. So let's see another report from PC World. What they have to say. They say Microsoft's newest Windows update breaks VPNs and there is no fix. Yes, that's what the company says. They say that at the moment there is no fix on the problem. So if you are experiencing this kind of issue from your own end when it comes to the use of virtual private network, know that this update may be the issue. That is the reason why it is not working from your end. Okay? With these two major updates, do you think Microsoft is giving up already? Should they abandon Windows 11 and create Windows 12? Let me know what you think in the comment section because I believe Microsoft has eyes everywhere. If they cannot prioritize the Windows 11, I feel it's now time for them to create Windows 12. What do you think? Leave it in the comment section. If this video helps, please consider subscribing to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also hit that like button please, it's very important to me. And leave a comment. See you next time.